Exploring the history of Sind, from Mohenjo-Daro's fall to the 6th century AD. Imagine a city pushing the boundaries of ancient urban life, Mohenjo-Daro, an engineering marvel of the Indus Valley civilization. But what caused its mysterious decline? Join us as we uncover how this advanced city fell into obscurity, leaving evidence scattered across continents. After Mohenjo-Daro's fall, Sind faced political and cultural shifts. Who replaced its thriving communities? From local rulers to invaders, discover how the region's powers evolved, shaping its legacy and influencing neighboring civilizations during turbulent centuries. Did you know? Artifacts from Sind reveal ties to Mesopotamia, Central Asia, and beyond. These broken links, like trade seals and inscriptions, offer a wider lens into Sind's pivotal role in ancient world networks. Let's connect these dots to rediscover Sind's global influence. By the 6th century AD, Sind entered a new era of social and cultural evolution. Buddhism, Hinduism, and early trade routes began shaping the identity of this enduring land. Examine how these changes laid the foundation for Sind's future prominence. Ready to unravel the secrets of ancient Sind? Hit subscribe, share this video, and explore the untold chronicles of history with us. Let's connect globally scattered fragments of the past to better understand the cradle of civilizations. Your next education-packed adventure awaits. Don't miss it.